Hey everyone, welcome back. Not getting eFootball notifications for new events, featured players, or weekly data update. Here's how to turn them back on. First, go to your settings and then scroll down to the list of apps to find eFootball or directly search for it. Once you find it, tap on it and then tap notifications and make sure that allow notifications is toggled on. If it's gray, tap on it to turn it green. Check the alert style below and make sure that it is set to banners or alerts, not none, since none means nothing will appear on your screen even though notifications are technically allowed. Turn on sounds and badges as well. Scroll back to the top of your settings and search for focus. Tap on it and go through each focus mode you use. Leave do not disturb personal and make sure that eFootball isn't in the silenced app list under each one, since eFootball drops new featured players and event content on a weekly schedule. Having these notifications workings mean you do not miss limited time content. So all you've got to do is go to settings, eFootball, allow notifications on, set style to banners, focus mode checked, and eFootball's alerts will come through, and that's it. Subscribe.